Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This tutorial I will show you how to make animated flower with pure HTML and CSS. I will show you how to make this type of flower in pure HTML and CSS. Let's get started. This is the basic HTML file structure. In body section, I will make a div who ID is P for parent. This parent div has at least 4 child. Who ID is equal to L1. Okay, now in head section I will make style tag for CSS. I will write all CSS coding. This is the style tag. First of all, I will select the universal star. I will make a merge equals to 0 pixel and padding equal to 0 pixel. Okay. I will tag div who ID is P. I will tag in CSS. I will provide div hash P, which means that div who ID is P. This is block of div hash P. So div is basic block element. I do not want to declare as display block element because it is already block element. So I will not declare as block element. So width would be around 400 pixel and height would be around 400 pixel. For testing purpose or I will visualization purpose, I will give it background color. Let's say red. I will test in Firefox browser. So this is the div who ID is P. You can also right mouse click on browser and inspect element and from this button. This is called select element with mouse. I can select this element. It is showing div hash P as who ID is P. I will move this parent in just center location of the browser. How I can do that? You need to merge is auto. So I want to push down from the top. So I will make merge from top to bottom 100 pixel and from left to right is the auto. Then I will save it and view it browser. It is pushed from 100 pixel from the top. Okay, let's say 200 pixel. So it is. Now I will increase 500 by 500 pixel. Now it make easy to read. Okay. Now I will target this child div. Div hash L1 who ID is L1. Now width is equal to 250 pixels, height is equal to 250 pixel and background color is green. This is appear here. Within parent. This child will be inside the parent. Now I also target div who ID is L2 and similar property would be insert this block, but the different would be just background color. I will give different kind of color, that is orange color. This element is appear here. Now I will target other div who ID is L3. I target this div. So block would be in CSS div hash L3 and that says is the pink color. Now what is happening here? Now all block element appear one after other. I do not want this type of flow. Basically I will make the child to be removed from its parent flow. So I will make all child position colon absolute and I give location where the child will live in down floor and left. This location would be left. Top left. This is top right. This is bottom right. This is bottom left. So I will give this div who ID is L1 this location. What is this location? This location is top left. This is the top colon 0 pixel and left colon is 0 pixel. Okay, what happened right now? Now child not detecting this position. So basic rule of thumb is if we have removed a child element from down, that we are declaring the position means we are removing this div who ID is L1 down floor. A child element removed from the down floor, we are declaring the position of absolutely are removing this div who ID is L1 from down floor, and if a child element removed depends upon parents, then div who ID is L1 who parents is div, because you can see this div L1 identify inside. Div who ID is P, basically div L1 is his parents for P. So basically div who ID is P should have a position, so it can hold the position of relative. Now you can see the child we have removed from the down floor, which depends upon his parents, and that parent should contain the position. So we give a position that parents position. So children depends upon the parents position. Similarly position, now we will remove the div who ID is L2 position is absolutely. So top is 0 pixel and right is 0 pixel. Okay, now we will remove this element from its down floor. Position is absolutely, and this location would be bottom is 0 pixel and left is 0 pixel. Now this is appear this location. Other I will target. Div who ID is L4 and color would be, let's say, is blue, and okay. Now this would be bottom is 0 pixel and right is 0 pixel. Now all child elements are located on each. To be continued.